Ever wonder how to record internal audio on your Mac for movies, gameplay, or AI voiceovers?
Did you know your Mac's hidden screen recorder?
Today's video I will show you how to use QuickTime Player like a pro. From basics screen recording to capturing the system audio. Plus, I'll walk you through uninstalling the BlackHole plugin if things go wrong. Let's jump to the computer. To begin, to open the QuickTime, press Command Space and press QuickTime there and choose QuickTime. And the mini window pop up, just press cancel, and then the top menu bar here, go to file, and you can see 3 options here, but I will go with the new screen recording, which is the main one. Go with this one, and then as you can see, it's capture the screen here, and the 3 part here is about the capture, like you capture as a photo, which is I won't talk today. I will cover just these 2 and also just record the video. And this one is like record entire screen. You can see the symbol of the camera here. You can press any the screen that you want to record, it will capture that. And then for this option is record selected portion. So basically you can resize how big you want to record and what portion that you would like to record. So I recommend to record entire screen because you can edit in the post later on. In the options drop down here, where you can set up where you want to record to after you record the file, where you want to put your file in. For myself, I like to put in desktop, so easy to find. The second part here is about a timer, how long that you want the QuickTime to press record. For me, 5 seconds is enough. And then for this third part is the microphone, which output that you would like to use. For myself, I use Lavia mic here, so external microphone. If you have the specific name, then it will appear here, you can choose it. And for the option, you can tick off and on which one that you like based on what it said here, show floating thumbnail, whatever here. Once you are happy with the setting, just press record here. I will count down 5 seconds to, for example, I will record some movie.
You can put in front of cinema. It's time.
The video and audio that I show you came from the MacBook speaker mixed with the surrounded sounds around my room that I record, which is not brilliant. Now where things get interesting. If you want to capture the internal audio, like sound from movie, video games, or AI generated voiceovers like I showed before without paying subscription, let me show you how that using the free tool called the BlackHole. To download the BlackHole plugin, head over to the BlackHole website, go to the GitHub here, which is I will leave in the video description as well for the link to this website. To install the BlackHole, you just follow the instruction that the website provider here. Now download the latest installer. Click that. I will pop up this. If you would like to support the people who create this free software, then you can donate here, whatever. But for my case, sorry guys, I don't have money. For me, I'll choose I can't afford. So you fill the email that and send the link. Now I'll check the email. Okay, that is the email. Now is the option where you can download which option they would like to download. Is they have 60 and 64. This is the crucial professional audio work where multi-audio sources need to be routed and managed simultaneously. For me, I would download 2 channels, which is the standard one, left and right, the stereo only. Here, BlackHole 2 channels that I download already. You want to install, double click on it and restart your computer. Once you restart the computer, now it's time to open the audio MIDI setup. Press audio MIDI setup and you will see BlackHole 2 channel here. Now how to set up. First of all, to create multi-output device, click the plus sign icon here and create aggregate device. Create an aggregate device, select the BlackHole 2 channel here. Done. If you want to record external sound as well, you can check the external microphone, what brand you are using. Okay, there we go. And now go another step back to the plus icon again to create another multi-output device. Here in multi-output device, choose headphone that you would like. For me, I use external headphone. Choose the main external headphone, and then the second one is the BlackHole 2 channel or 16 channel, whatever you install. If this rank is not right, then you can, let's say this go first, then you can uncheck it and then choose the external headphone and then choose the BlackHole 2 channel. You could rename here to the QuickTime's audio input, and then this one is screen audio recording. So two things here. Once rename it, and then you can go to Apple icon, system settings, and then go to sound here, and the output here you can select screen audio record. For the input, leave what it is. Now let's back to the QuickTime Player. QuickTime Player, file, record. Now record this entire screen with the option, set to desktop, and then 5 seconds. And now choose the option that we create. So choose the QuickTime input here, and then we can start record. Let's record some crafting and survival elements. So there's no sound now, okay? It should be internal audio that record. It hopefully it work, and that is the game. Now let's record the movie. Now let's code my AI voiceover. Once I'm happy, I will stop. And your recording will automatically appear on the desktop where you have set to, like my case on desktop. Back to the sound, because if we play now, we cannot hear it because the output is not right. Okay, let's go to the sound output, go to here, change to the MacBook speaker, and now let's test it.
Crafting and survival elements. It's not like a sandbox per se, it's a little more narrative driven, at least from the look.
Most of the movies I've mentioned already would be right at home here. Dune Part 2 and The Substance are likely to get best.
Did you know your Mac's hidden screen recorder? It's QuickTime Player.
There we go, it's work. To uninstall the BlackHole, heading to the GitHub website, this one. It's many version here. For example, which channel that you are download. For my case, I'm using 16 one, but it didn't work on my Mac. So that means I need to uninstall it. So this is how to install. I like option one, it's easier. Download for the BlackHole 16 channel one. So I download that, click allow, open it now. There we go, continue. Install, provide your password, and I just moved to the bin. It's fine. Now let's see the mini one is still there or not. It should be restart the computer, and then this will be disappear. After you set up all, just make sure to go back to the system setting again and go to sound and make sure your output is put whatever that you want to listen. For example, if you use headphone, then go to the headphone name. If you use speaker, then you use the name of speaker. We use the previous setup, it's just only for the internal audio recording only. And another way to capture audio or video, you could use OBS, which is I'm recording now. I will stop for this one to demonstrate how to use. I did demonstrate how to install the OBS Studio on the tag on the top. You can check it out. Once you install the latest version, I can click the side plus icon here. On the latest OBS Studio, they have the option here, macOS audio capture, screen capture as well, which is you can capture both audio and video at the same time. For example, I'll use this one. Let's say I leave what it is. Okay, I'll just leave. There we go. I got Mac screen capture for microphone, audio mixer. This one is no. I turn it off here. Turn it off for the microphone from the computer. Okay, turn off. And now let's start recording. Here we go. Although I milk, see that the sound still come out. That is brilliant. You know, you can capture it, either video together with the audio or audio which is you can choose as well. Here you can go to macOS audio capture only. And I think the OBS is another best option. It's free, you can use it, you can capture a screen, which is I will show you how to set up the settings for the best quality for the next video. Thanks for watching.